Good morning. The other day we had an ant infestation in our car, and these ants weren't the nice ants, they were the biting ants. Now, were those ants in the car attacking us? No, those ants were in there as a result of compost that I had in the car and mulch. Okay, so when they started crawling on us, we were trying to drive the car, we had a decision to make. So we stopped, we vacuumed them out. When that didn't work, we went and got some chemical poison. Basically, we killed these critters for just following their nature. So they were in our way, so got them out of our way. When I forage, which we do quite a bit out here for food, in fact we do this every day, natural food that grows in our area, there's a spider web that's going to be hanging from my nose, and the spider accompanying that web and my nose. I'm disrupting that animal habitat. Disrupting animal habitat for food is something many vegan types criticize industry for. Dennis, did you just compare that? Yes, I did, because disrupting animal habitat is disrupting animal habitat. Yes, large scale. If we can avoid it, let's avoid it. Let's avoid it. We also collect rainwater here, and we use the rainwater to conserve energy, to conserve resources. We use the rainwater to augment irrigation. In these bins of rainwater, in these vats of rainwater that we collect, after a couple of days, 3 or 4 days, I try to empty them. Frogs will lay eggs in that water almost immediately. I see tadpoles in there frequently. I am disrupting that animal habitat, that environment. I'm killing those tadpoles when I use that rainwater. I have many friends, and I've been guilty of this myself. When I converted to herbivore in '94, I wasn't just teaching, I was preaching the vegan ideal. Now I truly believe it's the instinctive and best approach to diet. I do. Do I absolutely think? Pretty close. I will look at all information. I don't want to cling to anything, but every time I study and research, it makes sense to me. But teach natural and instinctive eating. Let's not approach it from the morals clause. If you want another idea of what I'm talking about, picketing places that boil lobsters, yeah, I get it. How about picketing a place that does termite extermination for the house that you have a mortgage on? Remember that house, that mortgage? A termite's a little bug. A lobster is just a little bit bigger bug, isn't it? Aren't they pinchers? And so you're going to picket boiling the lobster, but you are going to conveniently ignore, which I did, absolutely, conveniently ignore. We are exterminating termites. And all the termites are trying to get their food. We took the wood from the forest. We disrupted the animal habitat to build the house. We took the wood from the forest. These termites are just doing their normal, natural thing. So, teach natural, intuitive, instinctive eating, diet, and health. Fantastic. Let's drop the morals. Because it's placing us somewhere between moron and idiot on the IQ scale.